Welcome back to the channel. I'm going to show you how I made $1,800 with just 2 sales, right? So that's $900 per sale on a brand new system that I've been promoting in just literally the last 5 days. And it happened on Saturday while I was out at a graduation party. So let's get started. So you can see I'm in here. I'm going to blur out on the right-hand side some of the leads that are coming in, but I just turned this system on a few days ago. And you can see the first day I had 17 leads come in, 8 leads come in, 10 leads come in, 8 leads. And the last couple of days I haven't had very many leads on, but I'm going to be promoting this week as well. But you can see right over here, $1,800 in sales right there. And that was in one day right here on May 31st. So that was just a couple of days ago. And just to show you inside over here, the Stripe account is going to show there's going to be a little bit of money for fees and processing fees, and that's pretty normal. But this is the money that will actually be going into my account on June 5th, just in a couple of days right here. So let me show you what I did in order to make this happen. Now, the best way to do this is to just show you, outline exactly what I did. So I'm going to open up a whiteboard here real quick, open up a brand new. Now, if you watched my last video, you'll see that I simplified this and I broke it down to just 2 basic steps. You need a product to sell online, right? And that preferably you want it to be a high value product, something that's worth a lot of money and has a lot of value that when someone picks it up, they're going to be very happy that they did pick up the product. So you definitely don't want to be out there just trying to make sales on a crappy product. So first it needs to check mark all the boxes of a high quality product that has been proven and has social proof and has made a lot of sales, right? And so you can go out and you can create your own product, create your own course and so forth, but that is not something that is beginner friendly. And so it's easier to go out and get something that's called master resale rights product. So you actually can go out there, and I've talked about this back in the past, PLR products and so forth, where you take, a PLR product, you stamp your name on it, and then you resell it, and you can resell it for much higher than you paid for it. Let's say you paid $10 for a PLR, then you could go out there and resell it for $27, $37, $47, something like that. So what I'm doing is a little bit along those lines, but it's a lot higher scale. The product value is much, much more. And so really I'm going to break this down in just a couple of different ways, right? So you're going to need a product. So we have our product, and then we want to make sales, right? So the end result is we want to make sales, right? So this is where we really want to end up. This is what we're all trying to achieve online, right? We're trying to achieve to make sales. That's why we're all here. And I'm going to show you how we can do that and how I went out and made this $1,800 right over here in the same day. And I just started launching this product. I've actually had 3 sales. So what is the total? That's actually 900 times 3. I've made 3 sales, $2,700 in just a few days with this new product. And so how did I do that? There's just a couple of things, right? So we have a product right here that we're going to sell. So you're going to want to sell this product, but it's very obvious. What is the next step, right? How are you going to sell this product? There are different ways that you can go out and do that. You could run ads. So you can do paid advertising. This is paid, and this is going to cost money. And it's going to be more of a test, right? You're going to have to test the traffic. And this is not for everybody. And this is not what I recommend, right? So this is not something that I actually recommend when you're starting out, is to use paid traffic as a method, because you're going to be sending, if you do decide to sell the product with ads, then this is going to be using what's called cold traffic. And cold traffic is hard to convert, and you're going to need some capital in order to make it work, right? And so how did I make these sales? I made them with what's called free traffic, okay? So let me just go and put this down right over here. So I used free traffic in order to make this work. And free traffic, with using the right methods, free traffic is going to bring in the money for you. And this is exactly what I did, right? So how did I use free traffic in order to make money with this brand new offer? I used TikTok and my favorite, YouTube. These are the 2 traffic methods that I used in order to make money. So this is proven in my experience to be far more worth your time and investment, right? You're not going to be spending money doing all these tests and losing money, and then this system doesn't work. You're going to go out and you're going to do what I teach in all my other products and all my other YouTube channels. It all comes down to getting real traffic, free traffic, organic traffic, and start building a audience that knows, likes, and trusts you, because you can show people what you're doing and then they can go out and replicate it and get similar results if they take action and they're consistent with what they're doing. This is a very simple formula, right? We need a product. This system that I am now selling takes care of this part right here. You don't have to go out and build a course. You may be sitting there brainstorming, like, what do I even sell? Even if you were going to create your own digital product to sell or your own course, you may not even feel like you're an expert in anything. You may not feel like you can create the course to actually sell. And then even if you do, there's a lot of other steps involved, right? What recording equipment do you have or that you need? What microphone setup? How long is it going to take you to record your online product or course? How long should it be? 1 hour long, 3 hours long, 10 hours long? And then what price point should you be pricing it at? Those are all the questions, and the time. And then that concept right there becomes very intimidating for most people. So most people get intimidated by those steps and those thoughts, and they don't even know what to sell, right? So this takes care of that for you, right? So you already have the product to sell. And then the product is going to teach you how to actually get free traffic. Now, you want to subscribe to this channel because I'm going to be showing you all the results that I get and the way that I get traffic. I've already made over $400,000 with YouTube channels and selling products online, digital products. That's what this is, right? And it's no different. I plugged myself in and then I've made $27 in about 4 days with this product. So it can work for anybody. All you have to do is follow the steps, and it's really just broken down. I tried to see, can it really be this simple, right? You literally just need a product, and then you need to sell that product, and then you need traffic. That's literally it. There's literally 3 steps to this process in order to make sales. So leave a comment below. Does this make sense to you? Because a system like this, like I've never purchased a system like this. This is new for me as well. Like I make most of my money with affiliate marketing, and I've sold my own courses. I've made over $80,000 selling courses online as well. So I know how to create digital products. I've also sold products on Warrior Plus and so forth. So I have a lot of experience with this stuff, but even starting brand new, there's people that are starting brand new with this and starting a brand new TikTok account, going out, creating videos, talking about the product, and then getting leads, right? So you go out and you get a flow of traffic with these right here. You can pick just a couple of different, if you like Facebook more than TikTok, then just use Facebook, right? If you're a pro on Pinterest, go ahead and plug into Pinterest and start getting traffic with that. But TikTok and YouTube are video creations. It's a faster way, in my opinion, for people to get to know you and ask questions and so forth. And so I plugged into these 2 right here, and this is how I got results right over here. So there are people every single day that are plugging into this system. And if I go over and just, let's go and look at some, I'm going to go into the quick wins right over here. So you can see right over here, we have Jenna Stone just got a $900 ding. And in this community, they call them dings. It basically, I can't figure out how to actually get the alert on my phone. I think you'd have to download the Stripe app. And then if money comes into your Stripe account, then it would notify you with a sound. But this is what we call them in this community right over here. Now, the product's actually not called Digital Growth Community. Don't go to this school and then go try to sign up for Digital Growth Community. You'll get denied, right? You have to go through a funnel. You have to go through and buy the product the right way. And then you get access to this. Super, super cool. I will make another review video type of video where I go over my initial thoughts on this after less than a week. But I want to give it a little bit more time before I give an actual formal review. But the system definitely converts and makes sales, obviously, right? There's over 21,000 people making sales with this already. And Jenna Stone, I believe, made like $75,000 last month. So you can see over here what a start, first 2 days of June, and I'm at $4,300. These are just everyday people. These are everyday people that they're not professional affiliate marketers. $21,000 for May right over here. This process works if you follow it, helping change lives over the world. Like literally look at this. Now we have Tony Hobbs, 900 ding after my live this morning. So they teach you how to do this. Look at this. These are 34 minutes ago, $900 right here. I can keep going. I'm not going to, but this is like unbelievable. The amount of proof that we have right here in the community. And I haven't even done my update right here because I can say I made $2,700 in about 4 days, I believe it was. And I need to make my post right over here as well. But this is literally 2 hours ago. Look at the people are just making sales left and right. If you're interested in this, go plug in and see what this whole thing is all about. I plugged in, I followed all the instructions that they had. I didn't get fancy and mess with it. I didn't let my head get in the way or my confidence or pride or whatever it is as far as I can make this system better. I may not even like the squeeze page. Maybe there's something that I would do different about the squeeze page. Go visit it below and go sign up and see what this is all about. But again, I didn't change it at all. Out of the box, this is the squeeze page and this is the one that is converting. So I leave it be and left it the way that it is because the creator of the system will show you. We've got we've got new posts coming in right now. They just keep coming in. But it's a plug and play system. It's going to take you, and I'll definitely shoot you straight on that. It's going to take you about 4 hours or so to set the system up. You get it all running, but you get access to the full funnel. You don't even have to pay monthly for software to get this going. It just doesn't get much better than this, honestly, guys. 100% commissions on this. This is not a MLM. It's not a get rich quick scheme, and it's not any kind of pyramid scheme or multi-level marketing or anything like that. If that's what you think, that this is literally like, we can go over to Warrior Plus right over here, and I can just show you. If I go to Warrior Plus right now, this is not like a new concept by any means. This is not a new concept. I can log into Warrior Plus right over here and show you the amount of PLR that has sold all the time. I make money right over here without even doing anything on Warrior Plus. But if we go over here to the marketplace and we go to top products, we'll be able to come over here and see right over here. Check this out, guys. So here's a PLR stack 2024, and it's a top 10 product on Warrior Plus over the last 30 days. So what I would do is I go to PLR stack right over here, and I'm going to go over to this other site called Munch Eye. I'm going to go and find it. Actually, I'm going to go PLR stack 2024 Munch Eye. This is the best way and easiest way. If you're into this kind of stuff, this is the best way to find these products. Just type it into Google. We'll come over here. This is a brand new product. They're selling it for $27. And it's a 50% commission. You don't make 100% commissions on any of these products. You can go and buy this product, then you can go and resell it. But what I'm going to show you is if I go into affiliate links right over here, I just want to show you that this product made 500 sales. So this product made 500 sales. They have affiliate contests over here. This is not a new concept right over here, but what we're seeing over here, this made over $25,000 in just like 3 days with 500 sales. So how is this any different than what we're showing you over here? But we're showing you a high ticket, $900 product that you can go and resell that comes with a community that is live and breathing on a daily basis with a ton of training and courses and classroom stuff in the classroom that you can go out and learn how to actually market online. So I'm going to teach you along the way on how you can get traffic through this, right? Like I said, the strategies that I'm using is TikTok. Maybe I'll show you my TikTok account as well, and you can actually go and see what I'm doing as well. I'm putting out a bunch of different types of videos. Some of them I even just rehash YouTube, and I go to a site called Opus Clip, and I actually just chop the videos up and share those as well. And those bring in traffic and followers as well. People will like your videos, follow you. It even shows you what videos people save. So they're actually saving it and coming back to it. The video is so valuable that someone wants to save it on TikTok, right? And then you can also go in there and you can just use your phone and push record, right? You can actually go like this in front of you and just push record and then push a couple buttons, upload the video, and then you'll start getting traffic, and you can put your link on your video in TikTok. So TikTok's very easy to get started. If you're new to this, I would recommend TikTok. But then I would also recommend, because I've made so much money on YouTube, it's going to be a little bit less traffic and attraction in the beginning if you're new to YouTube, but you want to start somewhere. building your audience, no matter what you're selling online, you always want to come back to consistency and building an audience that knows, likes, and trusts you first before you offer anything. And then that's when you'll start getting free traffic and so forth. And some people are going to resonate with you and want to join what you're doing as well. So hopefully you got value from this. Subscribe if you want to know more about this, because this is like online marketing at its finest, right? We're learning how to go out and get free organic traffic. We're learning how to build our audiences with connection marketing, people that are going to connect with you and they're going to want to see more content from you. And then eventually when someone wants to take action and plug in to the system and actually start learning how to earn online and build their own online income and business, then that's when you're going to be positioned in the right place, because you've been putting out the effort and putting out the content, right? So thanks for joining me. And the link will be below. Just go check out what the squeeze page looks like and what the funnel is. There's an automated email system in there. You'll be able to go and check out everything that you would actually get inside the system. It's super, super cool. You'll be able to resell it. All you have to do is make one sale and you'll make your money back. Thanks for joining me.